Welcome to this in-depth look at AlfaCoins, a robust platform designed for merchants and users looking to simplify cryptocurrency payments. AlfaCoin stands out as an efficient, secure, and flexible gateway for accepting Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies. The website is tailored to meet the demands of the ever-evolving crypto space, offering tools that help users accept payments, convert cryptocurrencies, and manage transactions effortlessly. AlfaCoin supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, making it a versatile choice for businesses. Navigating the site, you'll find a straightforward interface that allows users to create payment invoices quickly and customize payout settings. Merchants can easily integrate AlfaCoins into their websites or e-commerce platforms, ensuring a smooth experience for customers. The platform also provides an automatic conversion feature, which ensures that users can hedge against crypto volatility by converting payments to fiat currencies instantly. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Additionally, AlfaCoins offers a unique revenue sharing option, enabling users to share payment processing fees with their partners or clients. This feature is particularly beneficial for organizations that work collaboratively on crypto-based projects. The site is designed with security in mind, ensuring robust protection of user funds and personal information. For merchants concerned about compliance, AlfaCoins adheres to strict AML and KYC regulations, making it a trustworthy choice for businesses operating within legal frameworks. With its competitive fees and high transaction speeds, AlfaCoins ensures that users receive value for their money. If you're exploring ways to incorporate cryptocurrency into your business model, or simply looking for a reliable crypto payment processor, AlfaCoins is worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more crypto platform reviews.